everyone, welcome back to our Virgin Hair Vietnam. Today I would like to show you the best seller of my company. It is Natural Wave. Explore the charm of our Natural Wave hair made with 100 human hair from Vietnam. It gives you a cool look between the straight and curly and making you look chill and relaxed. Our wavy wig offers a ready-to-wear solution, providing you with naturally wavy hair that not only puts your confidence but also simplifies your daily routine. You can see some feedback of my clients. You can also try alternatives like flat tip, clip in a ponytail, allowing you to personalize them to your preferred length, volume, and color. For those who prefer V-part wig instead of a lace wig, we have a great option for you. Feel free to bleach or style your hair to achieve the color or texture you desire. And thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and reach out to us for more product detail. Goodbye!